bell system brace, 10-inch swing with a 5-pound solder brick. Pretty good condition actually. Looks a little cruddy, but only because there's a little bit of surface rust, and I think there's like a bit of splash of paint here and there, but there is really no deep rust. Nothing is frozen. Let's take a look at the ratchet. Clicks just fine, and let's check the ratchet. And now the other direction. Dry as a bone. I mean, it hasn't been oiled in probably, I don't know how many years. So this is an earlier one with an oiling hole, right here. And then there's another oiling hole here. So that indicates that's an earlier brace. They eliminated the oiling hole there later on. Middle handle swings just fine. Again, dry as bone, but nothing is dented. The pad swings just fine. I don't think bearings are broken from what I can tell. There is no noise there. Yankee is, some of the color is still there. Most of it is still there, really. Let's see what else. Not much else. The jaws are fine, aligned well. Nothing is dented there. What else? Oh, I don't see any scratches on a nut here and there. So that tells me nobody ever tried to take it apart, which is a good thing. Sometimes people take them apart and mess them up if they're not careful. What else? That's really it. Solder itself, 5-pounder brick, pretty good condition. Again, just a little dirty, but no big dents, never used. So pretty cool set.